and welcome back to another cooking episode with the Canny Nana. Thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and ring that bell so that you can follow me on my journey and learn some new recipes. We're going to be cooking a lot with the copper skillets that I have right here. Tonight we are making chicken fried steak, and what we'll be using is cube steak right here, already tenderized. I have 4 pieces, and what I do is I dip it in flour. I have a bowl of flour right there, a bowl of egg wash, and this right here is a mixture of breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, panko batter, or panko flakes, garlic garni, my Garlic Festival garlic garni. I'll show you that. It's right here. That's what that looks like. If you have any questions, I don't sell this stuff, but I can point you in the right direction where to get it. It's online, and I believe it's garlicfestival.com. Yes, it is. garlicfestival.com. This is the best garlic flavored seasoning I have ever had, and I've been using this for about 30 years. Really good. I get the tall bottle and I'm almost out. My gosh. When I use that, I don't usually use my Lawry's seasoning salt, but I do use my Lawry's seasoning pepper. Always, always, always. This gives a really good flavor to your food. So what I do is I mix all the seasonings in there. No salt because it's in the garlic garni, very little, but there is salt in it. I add a little bit of mashed potato flakes, the instant flakes that you would make mashed potatoes with, and a little bit of flour. And I mix it all together. Sometimes I use ground corn flakes or food processed saltines, crackers are really good. You want a little bit of a crispy crunch to your seasoning. And tonight I'm in kind of a hurry to do this, so I didn't do that. That's why I used the panko. The panko is really good. I think it comes out better with the cornflakes or crackers. But this is what we do. We are going to take one of these right here. These are really good size. The thickness is really good. They're tenderized like 3 or 4 times through. And this is just round steak. And we're going to put it in our flour right here before anything else. I'm filming and I'm cooking, so it's a little bit difficult, but I want to show you guys how I do this. You can do this with anything that you fry. Dip it in flour first. Make sure it gets all covered in there. Dip it in your egg wash next. This is the secret to really crispy chicken, anything you deep fry. This is the secret to it. Dip it in flour first, then in your egg wash. Let it drip a little bit, because you don't want to move all that egg wash over to your batter, or to your seasoning. It's not really a batter. A batter would be wet. So we're going to put it in here. Now I have a feeling my oil is going to be really hot. And I am using the Red Copper Skillet that does have the deep frying basket, but I'm not going to be using that tonight. I'm just going to do it this way. The oil is hot in there. Let's see. Yeah, it should be fine. And you dip it in that, coat it really well, and then put it in your pan. I'm going to turn that up a little bit. And I'm going to do that with all 4 pieces. Now this is going to cook probably for about 5 or 10 minutes. Or, yeah, about 5 or 10 minutes, I guess. Because I have it on low. I'm just battering up the next one. Dip it in your flour. And then in your egg wash. Remember to let it drip. You want this really tenderized so that you get a nice crunchy flavor, but a really soft taste of meat inside. You don't want this, I've had it where it's really chewy, and oh my gosh, it's not good. You guys wouldn't like that. This is the best way to do it. If you can't find the cube steak, you can get a round steak at your local grocery store and just have your butcher tenderize it and run it through the tenderizing machine a couple times to make sure that it's nice and tenderized. That's what I used to do. Now I can find it just like this, and I never could do that before where I used to live. That's like really bad in here. I really apologize. So those are two of the cube steaks, and I think I paid $2, maybe $2 for each package. So this is like a $4 dinner, guys. It's really cheap. It's not expensive. Wait for it to go on sale, and yeah, you'll save a lot of money. So I have country gravy right here cooking on the stove. I have made some baked potatoes that are in the microwave, and some fried cauliflower in this red copper skillet. And what's really cool about these skillets, you don't have to use any butter, no nothing, and look at how those come out. It's so good. I made these the other night too, and these are so good. This is just cut cauliflower. All it has on it is a little bit of garlic garni, a tiny bit of Lawry's seasoning salt, and some seasoned pepper from Lawry's. That's all it has on it. There's no butter in this pan, and yet they fried, and they're really crispy. They're really hot. They are so good. So good. I was kind of leery about these pans, and they're really nice. I really like them. So I'm going to pause this for a second while these cook, and I'll be back. Okay, so here I am doing the very last one. We have 3 of them in there. This one is going through the egg wash, and there's no room in the pan for it right now. And all I'm going to do is cover this. We've gone through our flour. We're done with the flour. This is all covered with egg wash. Make sure it's nice and covered. Sorry about the filming quality, guys. I'm working on getting a better camera. I'm using my phone right now. I have a really good camera on my computer, and I want to use that. Just have to figure out how to get it into my kitchen. So, if anybody can help, that would be really great. Because I am technologically not very inclined. So, I don't know the technical aspect of a lot of things. I can film, but I will get a camera that's recommended to me if I need another camera, or if somebody has an idea of how to get my my Logitech HD camera to work on my computer. That would be awesome, because it's a really good camera and I really want to use it. Okay, so we have the egg wash, and we have the flour right here that we're done with, and then we have our patty right here. I have a dish to capture the patties as they're done. Let's turn this one over. Ooh, that looks really good. Look at that. Nice and brown. And all you want them is a golden brown. You don't want to overcook them. And just put the potatoes on for another 2 minutes, and then they should be completely done. And for potatoes, all you need to do is add a little bit of butter for baked potatoes, some sour cream, maybe some cheddar cheese. Add a nice salad to this dinner, and you're set. You're all set to go. Now this, I'm going to let this drain just a little bit. And there you have it, guys. Chicken fried steak with country gravy, baked potatoes, and cauliflower. Healthy, all healthy, except for the frying. But I'm not really frying these completely under. You can see there's very little oil in this pan. I would say the copper skillets are really excellent for frying vegetables. I've tried them several times. You don't need any oil. You don't need any butter. They just come out really good. You get the full flavor of the vegetable. It is awesome. You don't need to taste, you don't have that butter taste. You have vegetable taste, which is really good. There you go. And this is the copper skillet frying. These things heated up, both of them, so quickly. I didn't have to wait. This one with the oil heated up in maybe 3 minutes. And when I use my normal cast iron, I will have to wait probably 3 to 5 minutes. But this seems to be heated more evenly than the cast iron skillets that I'm used to using. Let's see how this is. Turn this one over just a little bit. Oops. Turn this one over. That one isn't quite ready. I'm going to add our 4th patty in there. I'm going to wait for this to be done. Now, see how easy that was? You guys know how much chicken fried steak is if you get chicken fried steak and eggs for breakfast at a diner? Well, why? You can make it at home. It's super simple and not expensive at all. So if you all try my recipe, let me know what you think. If you have any questions at all, I always check the comments. So if you have any questions on ingredients or recipe-wise or how I do something, don't be shy to ask. I will gladly answer any questions that you guys pose at all. So I'm here. I do this for you guys to teach people. That's why I'm here, is to teach other people. That's how I got started, was because other people locally wanted me to teach them. And this is a way for me to teach a bunch of people at one time. Really easy for me and cost effective. I don't have to charge anybody. I used to charge people to learn canning and cooking and things, but I don't do that anymore. So, and I'm really happy about that because it should be free. It should be available to everybody. So here we go. Chicken fried steak patties, country fried gravy, cauliflower, and baked potato. Oh, there I am. Baked potatoes. You guys can't see that. There you go. See? I am filming myself. Hi, guys. See you later. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.